Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun review. Today I am reviewing the gorgeous Amber Apple Leather Backpack by Kerikit. And I can't tell you how excited I was to use this bag. I'm obsessed with my Kerikit midi backpack, so I have been dying to try the full-sized one. If you'd like to see my review for the Amber midi, I'll link it for you right here. And if you're new to Kerikit, I would love if you would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. So as you may have guessed by the title of this video, this bag is not leather, it is apple leather, which sounds interesting, right? So let's talk about what apple leather is. And this is coming directly from the Kerikit website. Apple leather, also known as apple skin, is a bio-based material made from leftover pumice and peel from the fruit juice industry. The pumice is dried and then processed into a fine powder, which is then mixed with biodegradable plastic and applied to tear-resistant cotton fabric. The roll is then heated and pressed to make the material weather-resistant and durable. The end result is an ingenious, high-quality leather alternative which reduces the CO2 impact by 50% compared to PU. I think that is so interesting. I love, love, love that there is a PU alternative as well now. This is a much more sustainable type of fabric. And my favorite thing about it is that it is buttery soft, you guys. Not just that, it's also lightweight. So this bag, and I will go ahead and bring out my midi backpack too so you guys can see the size difference. But I want to say that the regular sized Kerikit Amber, which is this one here, and the midi, which are side by side right now, you guys can see the size difference. I'd say that the leather midi is the same weight as the full size apple leather Amber. So if that helps you decide, like I said, I am obsessed with my midi. It is absolutely gorgeous. It smells amazing. You guys know how much I love leather, but leather does get heavy, and that's one of the reasons I really like the apple leather, because it's super lightweight, and like I said, it's really, really soft and beautiful. So I really, really like it. This particular bag comes in the gray right now, and I believe they are working on doing more colors and working this material into more bag options as well. This bag also features a really pale gold hardware, which I love. It is so pretty together. But now that you know what apple leather is, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about the Amber backpack. As you saw in the on the body portion of this video, this is an average sized backpack. For me, it's actually like the perfect size for a full size backpack for me. So let's talk about size and weight. This bag weighs approximately 2.38 pounds. It is 13.39 inches long, 14.17 inches high, and 7.87 inches wide. So it is a good sized little bag. It's got all the things in it for me in here for my boys and myself for karate class tonight. This bag is perfect for use as a diaper bag, as a work bag. There's actually a laptop sleeve in here. It's perfect for travel and like everything in between. I love that because it's not leather. I can take it out in the rain and easily wipe it off. So that is a huge plus for me. So let's go ahead and jump on to the packing portion of this video, and I will go over all the outside compartments and things like that. So let's go ahead and start with the top of the bag here. You have a nice grab handle. It is a rolled grab handle, so you can grab this in and out of your car easily. You have a double zipper opening flap on the front here. And one of the things I really like about the two front pockets is that they're actually lockable. So you have these two little holes that join up in the middle here. You can put a little lock here for travel on this pocket and this pocket. And on this pocket, you also have a double zipper opening on the front. Let's go ahead and move to the side. On the sides here, you have a D-ring, one on each side of the bag. So you can hook this onto a stroller or a shopping cart if you have some clips. I love that feature. It's perfect for moms who want to be hands-free. You also have two good sized pockets, one on each side of the bag here, and they do have double zipper openings on top here. I love the zippers on this bag. They are so smooth. Let's go ahead to the back here. You have two padded backpack straps. This backpack is super comfy to wear. It's one of the main reasons I love my midi. And when I got the larger Amber here, I immediately went to try it on to see if it was as comfortable, and it was. So I'm really happy about that. It's super adjustable on the back here. It's really easy to adjust when you're wearing it. You just pull on the straps and it gets tighter, or you can let it go to be looser. The back here is actually really cool. This is one of my favorite things about the Amber backpack is that you have a travel sleeve here. So this pocket goes all the way down, and you can just slip this right over the top of your suitcase and roll it around the airport. So you can have a little bit more hands-free if you needed to carry more than one bag and things like that. It makes it way easier. You also have a side pocket here, which I love. So if you have your passport, receipts, paperwork, things like that that you just want out of your bag, but you still need to have them, this is a great pocket to keep those in. So that is what the outside of the bag looks like. So let's go ahead and see how I have it packed up. I think we're gonna go ahead and start with the side pockets first. So in this pocket here, I have my phone. When I'm driving in the car, I wanna have easy access to my phone if I need to get directions real quick or things like that. So I have my iPhone 14 Pro here. Fits perfect in there, but this pocket seriously has so much space. If you're toting around baby bottles and things like that, you could easily fit 2 bottles in this pocket, which is amazing. You could really carry up to like 6 bottles in this bag, if not more, if you needed all that space for it. On the other side here, I just have my keys. Now there is a little key leash type of thing inside of the bag, but I like to have my keys kind of separated from everything else because sometimes the buttons bump into each other and my car does weird things. So I've decided to keep them separate from everything else in that pocket. So that's all I had in there, but it's identical to the one on the other side. Let's go ahead and go through the front pocket here. All right, so this is how the front pocket looks. I did want to mention the lining on this bag is made of a recyclable material as well, and it's water resistant, so if there's a spill in here, you can easily wipe that up. So I love that. You have a lot going on in the back here. So you have a little elastic pocket right here. And in there I have my inhaler. Next to that, you actually have 2 pen loops. So I have 1 pen down in one of the pen loops. Next to that, you actually have a little credit card slot holder here. So you can fit up to 4 cards in there, or you can use 3 cards and put something else in the back pocket here. So I actually have my little pocket back hand sanitizer here in the back pocket there. And in front of that, I actually have a little Lactaid pouch. So if we go out for ice cream or something, nobody's gonna be hurting. That's all that I had in those little slip pockets there. In front of that, I have my Kate Spade Carol wallet. It's just the perfect size for a pocket like this. So that is a really decently sized pocket. You could actually fit a full-size wallet in there. I'd call this a half-size wallet. So a full-size wallet would definitely fit in that pocket though. It's very roomy. So now that we've gone over the front of the bag, let's go ahead and move on to the back, because I actually did put something in this pocket here, and it's something that we have to take with us to karate, like I want to say every couple weeks. They give the kids homework and they have to fill it all out. So I kind of like that there's a separate pocket to keep these from getting wrinkled, but I did fold them all in half. I have 3 here. So 3 papers, 3 homeworks. So we are good to go. And that's all that I had in there, but as you guys can see, it's a pretty decently sized pocket. I'll show you guys how far down my arm goes here, just so you guys can see how deep it is. My arm goes about that far down. You guys can see my hand, but it's a roomy pocket, as you can see. So I love that that has that back there. All right, so let's go ahead and jump onto the inside, because this bag has tons of space. I love how it packs. It's great. So let's go ahead on the inside. You have your double zipper opening. As you can see, nice smooth zippers. This does flip backwards and stays out of the way as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get a different angle for you guys so you can see into the bag a little bit better. Okay, so here is a top-down look at the inside of the bag. As you can see, I have a ton of stuff in here for tonight. I think what I want to do is kind of get the bag a little empty first and then go through the main compartment, pockets and details and things like that. So let's go. On the very top here, I have a jujube medium set piece, and then here I have some snacks for my boys. At the end of karate class, they are all very hungry. So I have 3 granola bars down in here, and I have a couple packs of almonds, and then I have some yogurt raisins. So just some healthy snacks to refuel their energy. Now there is some time in between classes. I have 3 boys. My first child, who's 5, he has a class that lasts about 45 minutes. And then it's time for my older 2 boys to do their class, which is 45 minutes. So in between the classes, the kids do get a little bit bored, so I have to bring them some entertainment. So I have them doing books, my older two. These are the two books that they like to bring. This is for my 8-year-old and this is for my 12-year-old. So they each have a book. In the middle here, I have my planner, and this is a good size planner. This is a Happy Planner, classic size one. It has all of my life in it right now because life is crazy. So I have that in the main compartment as well. Now we can kind of see a little bit better into there. But in the very back pocket here, I have the entertainment for my 5-year-old. He got this for Christmas. And this is an iPad with a child-proof case on it, and he can play all of his educational games, ABC, mouse, and things like that on here while we sit and wait. Now, what I love about this pocket is that it does have a little snap button closure right here, but it can also hold up to a 12-inch laptop. So I did bring a 12-inch laptop with me, and I also have a 13-inch, so we will see if that fits, but I know for sure that the 12 fits. So here is our Lenovo Yoga. And that fits in there just perfectly. No squeezing, no nothing. Now, I'm not sure about my Apple, so we'll see. But that one does fit. Now, here is my 13-inch laptop. So let's see if that fits down in there. It does, you guys. Woohoo! So my 13-inch laptop does fit in that pocket, and it has some space, so yay. That's awesome. Good to know. I love that you can also use this as a work bag and maybe even for school if it can fit a whole laptop in it. Now let's take a look at the pockets on the inside of this bag. Hopefully you guys can see okay. These types of bags are always a little bit difficult to film because of the way they open, but I love the way this opens. I can access everything so easily. So there's 2 insulated bottle pockets, one on each side of the bag, and in one of them I have my Simple Modern water bottle here for myself, and I love it. And if you guys see anything you love and gotta have in this video, I will link it down below for you in the description box. So that was in one of the pockets down here, and these are elastic. On the other pocket on the other side here, I have a small set piece by Jujube, and in here I just have some things for myself. I have some eye drops, a little pill case with Advil and allergy medicine in it for me. I also have an oil absorbing roller stick, a chapstick, and I highly recommend this one. It tastes like birthday cake. I love it. And then over here I have my folding hairbrush, and that's all that I had in there. You also have a pocket at the top here, and in here I just have a couple things for myself. So I have a powder, a lip gloss, and I also have a snack for me because I get hungry in the afternoons too. And that's all that I had in that pocket, but this pocket is good size. You can see that's how big it is on my wrist. And right above that, you have a little key fob leash, and you can definitely fit your keys on here, but I do want to say if you have a large pack of keys like I do, it will kind of tug on the top a little bit and bring it down into your bag a little bit more. Now this is a perfect place to hang your passies, so I highly suggest if you have a passy and you don't want it getting lost in your bag, this is a great place to hang that. Now I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see just a little bit better on the front inside part of the bag here. Hopefully you guys can see that. There are 2 more little pockets down in the front here. So in one, I have my glasses case. So I have my glasses in there. And then in the other one, I have this amazing lotion bar that I got from Buff City Soap, and I am obsessed with it. I love it. Highly recommend that. So that is the inside of the bag and how I pack it up. I'm gonna try and get a little bit better lighting for you guys and a better angle on this on the table for you. All right, you guys, here is the best look at the bag that I can give you on the inside. You have your side pockets there, one on each side. You have your front pockets. I'm gonna have to flip it. Front pockets down in there, but all the things you need down in there. And I'm sorry, but that's the best I can show you guys. I'm trying though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And I would love if you guys would shop Kerikit with me. I will leave my affiliate link below for you, and you can also use code kateschwanke when you shop. Thanks for watching.